What is AI? Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song? If so, you have been interacting with artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Today, we are going to talk more about AI. Let's start with what it is. A simple way to describe AI is that it combines computer science, large sets of data or information, and problem solving. Currently, most AI is used for automation. This could mean you encounter AI when you use customer service over the phone or online. They use voice recognition and machine learning to answer questions and respond to requests. Or in the field of robotics engineering, this could mean automating tasks that are unsafe for humans, like mixing toxic chemicals or piloting a space vehicle that is set to land on Mars. This type of AI is an example of artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. There are two other types of artificial intelligence, AGI, or artificial general intelligence, and ASI, which means artificial superintelligence. AGI means that a computer can make decisions, plan, and function similarly to humans. Many experts think that that is the direction that AI is currently headed, but it isn't there yet. ASI is still theoretical, meaning that it is not based on real life, just an idea. But the thought behind ASI is that the intelligence of computers would exceed the intelligence of humans, which would be pretty wild. We have just learned a lot about AI. Here are some questions to review. True or false? As of today, ASI is purely theoretical. True. Fill in the blank. Currently, the AI technology we use is an example of ANI, which stands for artificial blank intelligence. Narrow. Name one pro and one con of AI use. Great job, AI experts! Whether you think that AI is helpful or harmful, it is here to stay. So, it is important to understand it and its potential consequences. Perhaps one day, you will be an innovator that finds a helpful and ethical way to use AI.